Hi, I'm Andrew. So I've made a few YouTube videos and I usually start off with an intro with me talking to the camera like this. I'm very bad at ad hoc talking, so I usually write a script about what I'm going to talk about. But the thing is, I also have the memory of a goldfish. I can't memorize more than 2 lines of script. So it takes way too many shots for me to have a good take. And even then, there'll be a lot of cuts. Another thing is, I talk really fast and I look really nervous because I put all my focus into reciting the lines. To solve this problem, I'm going to need a teleprompter. But I checked online and all of them are either too small or too expensive. So today, I'm going to show you how I make my own teleprompter. For the reflective glass, I just went to the dollar store and picked up a photo frame. I cut out the back panel so I can still use it to hold onto the glass. To cover up the camera, I used some foam boards to make a frame to block out the lights. Here, I added a strip of magnet to better secure the frame. All the assembly is done, so let's set it up. The reason I went with the slider clamp is because I can use different lenses with this setup. Securing the iPad is also pretty easy. To cover up any light, I just used an old t-shirt. I'm running an app called Teleprompter. It takes care of the text mirroring and the scrolling. So there you go, my teleprompter. With this, it is basically having a superpower. For example, I can now recite any number of decimal of pi. 3.14159.265. I'm pretty happy with the results. In total, I only spent around $30 with the majority of the cost being the camera clamp. I will upload all the 3D printed files on the Thingiverse and I will put the link in the description. Feel free to leave me a comment if you have any questions. I will try my best to answer them. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking or subscribing. It would really help you out a lot. That's it for this video. Bye.